Today this is what I'm working on. This 12-year-old Whirlpool hot water heater. Even though it doesn't look bad, I'm not taking any chances. So I'm gonna work on that today. This is what I'm gonna replace it with. It's the Rheem Hybrid Platinum. It's supposed to cut down the electric and all that, and cool your garage if you live in Florida, which I do. So I'm gonna pop back in and out, and as I'm doing this, it's probably gonna be an all-day affair, I'm not gonna lie. So here we are. She's up and running. I'm gonna keep my eyes on the pipes to make sure there's no leaks. I still got a few little odds and ends I want to tie in. I want to get them little clamps, like I said, because there's a lot of weight. Kind of pin that up on the wall with some kind of loop. I think I've seen them in the plumbing where it kind of holds the pipes up, holds them steady. It's cool air blowing right out of this. Temperature set. I'm going through the status. I haven't hooked the Wi-Fi up this yet. Service mode and all that. And this hot air goes in through here. It's sucked into the condenser and transferred to the tank. I gotta put the condensate line. I need a nipple for that. Do a couple elbows, like I said, and go over here and tie into this guy over here for the condensate line. But other than that, she's in. Floor's a little wet. I had to blow off. I had that valve open. Try to drain the air out. I forgot to shut it. Oh well, it happens. If that's the worst thing that happens to me today, that'll be fine. See, that'll look good when I get raise her up just a little bit. Ooh, very nice. Not bad for me not knowing what I'm doing. Well, kind of know what I'm doing, but no, I don't do it for a living, so. Anyways, that's it, buddy. Okay, noise test. I'm gonna be real quiet. Honestly, it sounds like a dorm room refrigerator. Maybe a little softer. If you're ever doing a PVC, or what is that shit called? PVC. You just got to get a pair of these. No cutting. Well, they cut. No hacksaw, no saws, no nothing. You just ratchet that thing down, and it's that easy. Test pipe. Done.